Moment of truth, will she start? Look at how much the Lundy's lifting. So they were. I did say they would. So they come out. They actually come undone. There's got to be one that's going to stick, surely.
Too loud for me.
No, that one came off. I knew there'd be one that wouldn't.
It's the wrong size, that's all.
Yeah.
You can get the right size socket.
You enjoyed that really, didn't you?
The other one, I just dropped it. Right. Two not very good wheels.
Yeah, but they seem to be very nice wheels because I painted the other ones.
How did you paint your?
I think I did quite well considering it was done with a paintbrush.
Okay, so have you seen the state of the wheel arches?
Oh.
And obviously it's quite a bit full of sand.
There is a reason for that though, isn't there?
Yeah. A little while ago, it's got about water level up to about here, I think it was. It was quite high, got stuck in the sand, and as it went to move, it just sank. So it had to be towed out by another tractor.
Oh.
So that's probably why these are as wrong as they are.
It's probably why a lot of the rust is where it is.
Well, if you look, most of it's at the back from launching boats.
Yep.
So yeah, it's, I'm going to get these arches off.
It's had a hard life. How long's your dad had it now?
15, 20 years.
Gosh.
It's a long time.
To be fair, it is a long time, but it's good to see it's still going.
Yeah. So guys, let's get some more bits off.
Okay. Don't you just love painting tractor parts with a paintbrush? Let's see how these turn out when I've finished. Did some wheels too. Still drying, but not bad for hand painted.